Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into something a bit different from the usual beauty reviews. A product designed for marine enthusiasts and anyone who needs a reliable water pump solution. Introducing the Flojet 4325 Series Heavy-Duty Automatic Deck Washdown Pump, a self-priming diaphragm pump that promises efficient, durable performance for boat decks and other high-demand scenarios. Now, before you think, what does a pump have to do with beauty? Stay with me. Whether you're a sailor, a boater, or just someone who needs a high-performing pump for outdoor use, this one's got a lot to offer, and we'll take a closer look at what makes it stand out. The Flojet 43325 Series pump is engineered to meet heavy-duty demands. It's self-priming, meaning it can lift water up to 2.4 meters vertically without losing its prime. And it's designed to run dry, making it perfect for those times when you might need to quickly drain or wash something without worrying about overheating the motor. The four-piston diaphragm design ensures high flow rates, and its pressure switch control keeps the pump running only when needed, which adds an extra layer of efficiency and saves on energy. Now let's talk about the features in a bit more detail. This pump is made with corrosion-resistant materials, which is crucial if you're using it on a boat or any outdoor setting where water exposure is inevitable. It's also equipped with soft, noise-absorbing mounts. So even though it's a heavy-duty piece of equipment, it won't add unnecessary racket to your surroundings. When it comes to installation, you won't need to be an expert. The quick connect plug-in ports make it easy to set up, getting you back to your projects faster. Real-world testing on this pump has been incredibly positive. It's been put through various tests, including performance during washing and draining scenarios on boats, and it delivers consistently strong results. The self-priming mechanism works as advertised, and the pressure switch is sensitive enough to activate the pump only when necessary, avoiding unnecessary wear and tear. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the pro side, the performance is excellent. This pump has strong, reliable pressure that delivers a great flow rate. The fact that it's self-priming and can lift water up to 2.4 meters vertically is a major plus. Its construction with corrosion-resistant materials gives it long-term durability in harsh environments, which is key for anyone who works with water regularly. The noise-absorbing mounts are another nice touch, especially if you're sensitive to noise. On the flip side, while this pump is efficient, it's on the higher end in terms of price. For some users, the cost might feel a bit steep, but considering the quality and reliability of the design, it does offer strong value for money. When it comes to value for money, this pump certainly holds its ground. It's designed to last and perform well under heavy use. So if you're looking for something that will stand the test of time, this could be a smart investment. If you're someone who frequently works on outdoor or marine projects, the price is justified by the durability and efficiency. In terms of alternatives, there are other diaphragm pumps on the market, but none with the same level of precision and efficiency as the Flojet. Some cheaper options may still do the job, but they likely won't match the performance, longevity, or ease of installation this pump offers. As for build quality, this pump is built to last. The corrosion-resistant materials are critical for long-term durability, especially if you plan to use it in a marine environment. The soft mounts also add to the overall sturdiness, keeping vibrations at bay. As for longevity, given its materials and the pressure switch design, this pump is likely to last for several seasons if properly maintained. Now let's talk customer support. Flojet is known for providing excellent customer service, and if you ever encounter issues with the product, they are typically quick to respond and resolve concerns. They also have a solid reputation for providing helpful troubleshooting resources and warranty services. To wrap it up, the Flojet 43325 Series Heavy-Duty Automatic Deck Washdown Pump is an outstanding choice if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance pump for heavy-duty use. Its self-priming capabilities, noise reduction, and corrosion-resistant build make it a strong contender in its category. While the price point might be higher than some alternatives, the performance and durability justify the investment. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other outdoor enthusiasts can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this pump, drop a comment below and share your experience. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.